Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to print the odd number from 1 to 10 using while loop. Let's see with practical example here. First of all, I am going to declare a variable I and assign the value as a 1. Now write here the while loop and condition as a I less than equals to 10 and colon, which means this loop continue until the value of I is less than equals to 10. Now within the loop body I am going to write here a if condition which is check the odd number I modulo 2 not equals to 0, which means write here colon and print the value of I and equals to double quotes, which means if the remainder not equals to 0, the number is odd. Next write here I equals to I plus 1. Now save it and understand the concept from the starting. First of all, the value of I is 1, so condition check here, the value of I is 1 which is less than equals to 10. The condition become true. Control come here and check the if condition. I modulo 2 return the 1, so the number is odd, so the value of I is printed by the print function. And now write here I equals to 1 and the printed value as a 1. Now the value of I is 1, so I 1 plus 1 2 assign into the I variable. Control come here and the value of I is 2 which is less than equals to 10, so control, the condition is true. Control come inside the loop body and check the condition here. 2 modulo 2 returns 0, so condition become false here. Now the value of I is 2 plus 1 3 assign into the I variable. Now 3 which is less than equals to 10, condition is true, so control again come here and check the if condition. 3 modulo 2 return the 1, so condition become true and print the value of I as a 3 here. And control come here and the value of I is 3 plus 1 and 4 value assign into the I variable. Control again come here and check the condition. The value of 4 which is less than equals to 10, condition is true. Now control come here and 4 modulo 2 return the 0, means condition false. Control come here and now the value of 4 plus 1, the value of I is 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 1 5 assigned to the I variable. Control come here and again check the while loop condition. 5 which is less than equals to 10, condition become true, so control come here and 5 modulo 2 return 1, the condition is true, so the value of I is 5 printed by the print function. And now the value of I is 5 plus 1 6 assigned to the I variable. And control come here and check the condition of the while loop. 6 which is less than equals to 10, now the condition is true. Control again come here and check the if condition within the loop body and 6 modulo 2 returns 0, so condition become false. Control come here and add the value of I 6 plus 1 7 and assign into the I variable as a 7 and check the condition. 7 which is less than equals to 10, now condition is true. Control again come here and 7 modulo 2 return 1, the condition become true. The value of I printed by the print function as a 7. Now the value of I is 7 plus 1 8 assigned to the I variable. Control again come here and check the condition. The value of I is 8 which is less than equals to 10, now condition is true. Control come here and 8 modulo 2 returns 0, condition become false. Control come here 8 plus 1 9 assigned to the I variable and again check the condition of while loop. 9 which is less than equals to 10, the condition become true. Control come in the loop body and check the if condition. 9 modulo 2 return 1, so the condition become true. Value of I is printed here as a 9. Now control come here and add the value of I as a 9 plus 1 10 and assign the I variable. After adding, and control again come here and check the condition. 10 is equals to 10, so condition become true. Control again come here. 10 modulo 2 returns 0, so condition become false. Control come here and 10 plus 1 11 assign to the I variable. Control come here and check the condition. The 11 value which is not less than equals to 10, so condition become false and loop terminated here. Now I'm going to delete this and save this and run the program. 13579 printed by the program. You can change the value of 10 here, like 16. It will print the odd number from 1 to 16. Run module and print the 1 to from 1 to 16 as odd number. Okay, you can also get the program from my own developed website android80.co.in. Look here the program and the output is 13579. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.